There he is. There we go.
There you got it. Alright.
Just skinned him. Yeah. First one of the season. Whaleback. Nice. Water's definitely muddy. That rain must have stirred a lot of it up.
Look at them all.
Oh, I know. It's.
Got him too.
Oh, he's coming in front of the boat. I'm trying to pick up slack here. Oh, come on. There you good. Stop at the knock, looks like. Stacking them up. That they all are?
This one, look at the size of this one.
It's got a big old bulging eyes too, look at that one. Oh wow, that's a nice sucker. Oh, I got him, dude. Bat and clean up, bat and clean up. Yeah. Bat clean up. I'll get that for you, Chad. Oh, right over the top of him. Turn this rig around. He went right back towards the shoreline. Weird carp. I got him right in the belly. You got yours? I think I'll get him. Just trying to get him close so I can ram it the rest of the way through him. There we go. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Yeah. No?